What's up, gals and pals? I'm Coach Vino. This is the Progress Bar. And ladies and gentlemen, early on in my YouTube journey, I brought you guys a little something called a Piña Colada Old Fashioned. Now, it was essentially just a rum old fashioned, except I used a split base of pineapple rum and coconut rum, added some simple syrup and some bitters, and I called it a Piña Colada Old Fashioned. Now, while it was delicious, it was pretty no frills. And so over time, a few of my fellow cocktail content creators, namely Andrew over at Angry Cocktails, Peter at the Tribal Bar Guy, and most recently Stefan over on Instagram went ahead and made their own riffs on my recipe. And all of them looked absolutely delicious and they had some great ideas. So I decided I'm not gonna let these guys get all the damn attention on my recipe. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a new version of, or an updated version of my Piña Colada Old Fashioned using my original template and taking some of the inspiration that they gave me and their great recipes and then adding a few new touches of my own. So I'm really excited to share that with you guys, right folks? But before I do that, I'm gonna need you guys to do me a favor and hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can help Vino feed the hungry algorithm. And make sure you stick around because we're gonna get down. All right, let us look at what is in the sauce for my Piña Colada Old Fashioned 2.0. All right, the first thing you're gonna need is 3/4 an ounce of coconut rum. In the original version, I used shipwreck coconut rum, which is definitely delicious, but I recently made my own coconut rum. The one thing I will say about coconut rum, you don't want to use something like Malibu. That's really a liqueur, big time. It's really sweet. You want something that's gonna be a little higher in ABV. Shipwreck is a perfect example of that. I think it's in the upper 30s, which is really good, okay? And then you're gonna want to use 3/4 of plantation pineapple rum. This stuff is the bee's knees. All right, there you go. And then just to help to bring up the ABV a little bit and also to make sure that it doesn't lose its Puerto Rican flair, we're gonna be using some aged Puerto Rican rum, okay? I got some Bacardi 4 and we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of this, all right guys? Excellent. All right, so that's gonna give us our 2 ounces of booze, and now we're gonna go ahead and add our sweetener, okay guys? So we are gonna do a bar spoon of pineapple syrup. Now if you wanna use more because maybe you wanna make it a little bit sweeter, that's completely up to you, but I'm going to be using a bar spoon because that is how much I normally put in my old fashions. I think it's just the right amount of sweetness, all right folks? There you go, beautiful. And then just to amp up the tropical energy here, we're gonna do 2 dashes of Tiki bitters. Now, if you don't have Tiki bitters, you should definitely feel free to use Angostura bitters, aromatic bitters, or maybe a combination of orange and aromatic. You just wanna add some bitters to this, but the Tiki bitters really is gonna help to amplify the tropical energy, okay guys? And then just to help really kind of accentuate some of the flavors, help bring a little balance to the cocktail as well, we're gonna do 2 drops of saline solution, okay guys? 1, 2. Now look guys, this is pretty optional. I think it helps a little bit in terms of enhancing the flavors a bit, but don't feel bad if you don't have it. Just go ahead and make it as is, all right folks? So now I'm gonna go ahead and add some ice to our mixing glass. And I'm not gonna over stir this because I want it to really get perfect in the glass, not in the mixing glass. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do maybe like 20 seconds, all right folks? All right, guys, I think we stirred this bad boy up enough. Oh, delish. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my glass out. I'm gonna be serving that in a rocks glass, which I've had chilling like a villain. But here's the thing, I used a big coconut water cube, okay guys? So I made a giant ice cube of coconut water. And that's gonna help bring out a little more of the coconut notes, just like the pineapple syrup is gonna bring a little more of the pineapple notes. And so you're really gonna get more of those, tropical Piña Colada flavors, all right folks? Let's go ahead and pour this bad boy in. Oh yeah, there we go, all the way, baby, to the top. Oh yeah, there you go, beautiful. That looks fan-freaking-tastic. And then I'm gonna go ahead and have a little fun with the garnish. First, I'm gonna grab my orange peel here and I'm gonna express it, okay? Beautiful, rub the rim for some good luck. Push that to the side. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of a pineapple frond here, to represent the whole pineapple part of the Piña Colada. And then for my orange here, I'm gonna do I have a little orange that I wrapped up in my little cherry, and I'm gonna put this right here on the side with it, all right? There we go, folks. My Piña Colada Old Fashioned Volume Dose. All right, folks, let's go ahead and give my Pina Colada volume dose a sippy sip. Cheers. Ah. Woo-wee. That is remarkable, guys. Absolutely delicious. All of those extra touches have really brought out the best in this cocktail. That pineapple syrup, actually bringing in the Bacardi, the aged Bacardi, really did help to, you know, balance out some of the sweetness from the other two spirits, which are not a full 40% ABV. And then the saline solution, again, just a little couple drops can help to really brighten up the cocktail, really help accentuate some of the flavors. The coconut water helps also add a little bit of savoriness too, because coconut water, though sweet, does have a savoriness component to it. The Tiki bitters just blow this thing up. I mean, this is a super delicious cocktail, guys. Oh my God. So listen, big shout out to Andrew from Angry Cocktails and Peter from the Tribal Bar Guy and my buddy Stefan Foisy over on Instagram for inspiring me to go ahead and revisit this cocktail. And I think I've made the ultimate version of my Piña Colada Old Fashioned. And I hope you guys try it out. If you like this video, please press like, please subscribe, and please share with your family and friends. Remember, sharing is caring. And life gives you lemons, make yourself a cocktail. Cheers.